Welcome to our comprehensive review of the ASUS ROG Strix G18 2025 gaming laptop. As the boundaries between reality and fantasy continue to blur, one question looms large. What does it take to shatter the limits of gaming performance? Can a laptop truly redefine the gaming landscape, or is it just another fleeting trend? Today, we're here to explore the ASUS ROG Strix G18 and put it to the ultimate test. The gaming laptop market has a well-documented issue: laptops that promise the world but deliver mediocre performance, subpar build quality, and a steep price tag. We've all been there, eagerly anticipating the latest release, only to be left disappointed by an underwhelming experience. Meanwhile, gamers continue to push the limits of what's possible, demanding more power, faster rendering, and seamless play. That's exactly why we need laptops like the ASUS ROG Strix G18, designed from the ground up to meet the lofty expectations of the most discerning gamers. First impressions are everything, and the ASUS ROG Strix G18 does an impressive job of setting the tone. The 18-inch FHD plus aspect ratio display, with its 144 Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds response time, immediately grabs your attention. The vibrant colors and crisp text create an immersive environment, making you feel like you're part of the action. The keyboard, with its customizable backlighting and precision engineering, provides an incredibly responsive typing experience. Even the cooling system, comprising dual fans and a vapor chamber, exudes a sense of sophistication and attention to detail. But what really sets this laptop apart is the sheer build quality. A sturdy magnesium alloy chassis that feels rock solid in your hands. Now, let's dive deeper into the features that make the ASUS ROG Strix G18 a beast of a gaming laptop. The AMD Ryzen 9 8940HX mobile processor is a powerhouse, offering 16 cores and 32 threads to tackle even the most demanding tasks. Paired with 16 gigabytes of DDR5-50 200 MHz memory, and a 1 TB PCI Gen 4 SSD. This laptop is capable of handling a wide range of applications with ease. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 laptop GPU, powered by the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, is a game-changer. With support for DLSS 4 and Max-Q technologies, this GPU delivers incredible performance, while also reducing power consumption. But what does it look like in real-world testing? We put the ASUS ROG Strix G18 through its paces, running demanding titles like Assassin's Creed Odyssey and The Witcher 3 at 1440p and 4K resolutions. The results were staggering: smooth frame rates, silky smooth motion, and crystal clear visuals. We also threw in some creative apps like Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects, and the laptop handled them with ease. However, it's worth noting that temperatures did sometimes reach the upper limits of comfort during prolonged gaming sessions. A small price to pay, considering the level of performance on offer. No review would be complete without discussing the pros and cons. On the plus side, the ASUS ROG Strix G18 delivers exceptional performance, an impressively high refresh rate display, and a comfortable keyboard. Battery life, however, is a bit of a concern. You can expect around 4 to 5 hours of use in normal conditions, which is slightly below par. Connectivity-wise, you get Wi-Fi 6E, USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and an Ethernet jack. A solid selection, but perhaps not enough for those who like to have options. So, how does the ASUS ROG Strix G18 stack up against competing options? In terms of pure performance, this laptop stands head and shoulders above the competition. The Acer Predator Helios 18 and the MSI GS76 Stealth come close, but ultimately fall short in terms of power and cooling efficiency. However, it's worth noting that these laptops usually cost an arm and a leg, whereas the ASUS ROG Strix G18 strikes a much more reasonable balance between price and performance. So what's our final verdict? The ASUS ROG Strix G18 is, without a shadow of a doubt, one of the best gaming laptops you can buy in the market today. It offers unparalleled performance, a stunning high refresh rate display, and a keyboard that's a joy to type on. If you're a serious gamer looking for a laptop that can keep up with your demands, look no further. And if you're just starting out, this laptop will give you a solid foundation to build on. Don't wait. Get your hands on the ASUS ROG Strix G18 today and experience the thrill of gaming redefined. If you're interested in purchasing this incredible laptop, we recommend visiting the official ASUS website or checking out our local retailers. The ASUS ROG Strix G18 is sure to leave a lasting impression, and we're confident you'll be blown away by its sheer power and versatility. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.